Hi, this is Jack from Stafford Audi, and today I'd like to present to you this approved used Audi A4 Avant S-Line 35 TFSI with the S-Tronic gearbox. Now this particular example is also finished in the optional Daytona grey pearlescent paintwork, which is really give the A4 that standout road appearance. With this also being an approved used car, it does mean it comes with a minimum of 12 months warranty and a minimum of 12 months roadside assistance. Now looking at the key features, and with this being the S-Line model, it does mean the vehicle benefits from the additional S-Line styling such as the front bumper, rear diffuser and side profile. Looking towards the front of the vehicle now, we find these fantastic LED headlights with the daytime running lights, which are perfect for visibility in every weather condition. Looking down towards the alloy wheels now, we do find these exceptional 19-inch 5-arm Torzio design alloys, part of the Audi Sport range. To the side of the vehicle now, there is also that rear privacy glass, which does keep the rear occupants from view, as well as protecting those valuable items from view as well. Now moving into the rear boot capacity of the Audi A4 Avant, where we found up to 495 litres of storage space. It's a large amount for a vehicle of this size. This can easily accommodate 2 larger suitcases and a few additional shopping bags. Moving into the rear seats now, we find a part leather and part Alcantara interior. There is also a leather centre armrest, which is fold down for added comforts, and there are Isofix points which are neatly located across the back row, making this vehicle perfect for family usage. Moving into the front cabin, we find a large amount of leather, as well as Alcantara and also the aluminium interior trim. With this being the S-Line model, it does mean the vehicle benefits from the additional S-Line styling, such as these two-tone leather seats with the S logos. Above now, we do find the virtual cockpit, which is featured with 2 digital rev counters. The screen can also be used to access telephone connectivity, radio stations and vehicle information. To the centre of the dashboard now, we find this impressive MMI touchscreen display, which does allow access to Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Moving just below this now, we do find the equally impressive digitalised dual zone climate control, which is very easily adjustable, and there are heated seat functionalities either side of this for both front passengers. Now to the screen above, once again we do find a reversing camera as well as the front and rear parking sensors, which just make the A4 Avant much easier to park in the tighter spaces. So thank you for watching the video of this approved used Audi A4 Avant S-Line, which is now available at Stafford Audi. For more information, please don't hesitate to get in touch with our friendly sales team.